Flooding dominated headlines in 2012. It was a year that the Met Office called the second wettest since records began, and PwC judged the cost to insurers at £1 billion. I'm here to ask how well the insurance industry dealt with the flooding in 2012, as well as to get an update on how the talks are going around the Statement of Principles on the provision of flood insurance.
The Statement of Principles expires on the 30th of June 2013. That's 6 months away now. It's not long. It's clear that there will not be a fully worked up and fully delivered solution completely in place by that date, but it's absolutely vital that we are well on the way to implementing the agreed solution at that point.
We asked DEFRA whether they could still meet this deadline. They responded with this statement. Discussions with the ABI about what replaces the Statement of Principles are ongoing. We want to find a lasting solution that secures the affordability and availability of flood insurance for the first time without placing unsustainable costs on wider policyholders or taxpayers. Our primary role is to prevent flooding in the first place. We are on course to spend £2.3 billion on preventing flooding and coastal erosion over this 4-year period. Henley-on-Thames was badly affected by flooding in the new year, with many businesses damaged and forced to close. Towergate Managing Director Mark Evans, based in Henley, can tell us more.
Well, the most recent round of flooding is probably been as severe as we've seen in the past 5 or 6 years. We've had clients with repeated incidents. The issue isn't just with rivers, with the land saturation. We're finding clients having water issues and flood issues where the water has nowhere else to go. So it's not just people with issues near the rivers. It's a water issue across the board.
If we are faced with a flood insurance, no flood insurance for businesses and for private individuals, then we are going to have to rethink how a lot of things are dealt with. People and businesses will be affected and will need assistance in recovering their home or their business, and we have that experience and that expertise. But I would stress we would much rather do it in the traditional way, and we hope that the government will do the necessary to support the ABI in getting the settlement statement all agreed.